What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has taken another dip in the last couple of days, and it is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours, and over the last week it is down 18% guys, which is not too good. So we're going to be looking at, is it getting ready for it to pump up in value, or is it going to essentially keep on crashing back down in value over the coming days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from Jasmy? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, as well as covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, looking at what is the best option to do right now. Is it just to hold it? Is it to buy it? Or is it simply to sell it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, it is actually trading at a slightly lower value here in red, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. The orange line is slanting towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, and the blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Jasmy? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be hovering around its current price range is what I'm expecting. Again, it is likely to hit green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Just like what's happened here over the last 12 hours, it has more or less fluctuated, but it has been quite volatile up and down, and that is essentially what is likely to repeat over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, so they are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, it is obviously going to hit red days in between as well, potentially over the next couple of days, before it slowly starts to gain value by mid to end of next week, making it an overall increase in value, as I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction by the end of next week and the weeks coming after that as well, with Bitcoin heading over $45,000 is what I'm expecting. So this should have a positive impact on the majority of the cryptocurrencies as well, which also includes Jasmy. Moving on to the daily chart, we are not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Reason they're looking quite steep is because of the major drop that's taken place over the last week or two. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep dropping at that pace and in that direction over the next couple of weeks. However, that is not the case. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late February, early March 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, and getting very close to the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be at by the end of Q1 of 2024. So by the end of March, we should be getting very close to the 1 cent target is what my predictions are at the moment. But again, If there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major bull run or a price pump or even a crash, then I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, so far so good for the long term. However, for the short term, do expect minimal drops in value over the coming days and so on. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale here. We are trading in the red zone right now, and we've got a long way to hit the resistance target here, which is 0.02182 cents, which I'm expecting it to hit towards the very end of this year or early next year. So we've still got a lot of time for it to hit the resistance target here. But before we do that, we're gonna have to speak about the 1 cent target, which I'm expecting it to hit in Q2. So by mid-year, we should be heading over the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto, just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect, what to predict, and also if there are any major changes. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again dropped by 7% in the last 24 hours, making it $31 million in trading. Reason for the drop is because the value hasn't moved much. It has been moving in a negative direction, and about a week ago the trading volume, let's have a look here, when it was peaking in value, it was about 68. It did hit up to about $80 million earlier on in December, but it has taken quite of a drop down to 30 million right now due to the fact that the crypto has dropped in value. So most people are just holding on to it at the moment. They're not buying it or they're not selling it, so meaning the trading volume is likely to drop down even more over the coming days before hopefully going back up towards the end of next week and the weeks after that as well. So yeah, this is my take on Jasmy, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below how many zeros are you guys expecting Jasmy will get rid of this year. Comment down below, or will it add another zeros? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, guys, I'm expecting it to hit the 1 cent target, and the 10 cents target, we've got a long way to do that, but pushing it to 2 cents is the maximum I'm expecting it to hit by the end of the year. Anything above that is going to require a bull run in the crypto market, which I'm also expecting, but let's hold back for a bit. We're going to have to take it at a slow and steady pace. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.